Hello everyone. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoycia Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all just to show you a couple of things that I am going to be using in the next how to make videos. Okay, y'all, so yesterday I did a series of uploading some of the hauls that I have recently got. Well, not some of them wasn't recently, some of them I had for a while and just decided to do the haul. But anyway, today I'm going to be showing you all what is going to be coming up next. So the next two videos that's going to be coming your way will be, I will be making some how to make videos, and these are the items that I am going to be using. So I'm going to be making two pairs of earrings, but they won't be in the same video because I don't know how long these videos it's going to take for me to make or create the video. So basically, if you all can remember, I don't know if you all remember, I got these from Dollar General. These are some 8mm pearl beads. I'm going to be using these, making some earrings using these beads. But here are the other things that you will need. You're going to need your wire cutters, your round nose pliers, of course a ruler. You're going to need some 20 gauge wire and some 12 gauge aluminum wire. You're also going to need some coil shells because I am going to be using some coil shells for one of the projects. Okay, these are this is like a 12mm acrylic bead, and I got this from the mix that, let me see, I don't think, I got from this acrylic bead mix right here that I got from Walmart some time ago. Okay, so I'm going to be using these items here to make a pair of earrings, and of course you will need some fish hooks. So I just felt like I was going to take the time to come to you all to show you what is going to be coming up next. There are going to be two videos. They're going to be they may be back to back. I may incorporate another video somewhere along the line in between the both. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but we will have to wait and see. Okay? So I want to thank you all for joining me. I also want to say thank you to my new subscribers and my super supporters. I greatly appreciate it so very much. Can y'all please continue to share these videos? Make sure you give these videos a thumbs up. That really helps me with my algorithm. And with that being said, until the next video, because the next video coming will be a how to make video. All right, so I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. And until the next video, peace and blessings to you all. See ya.